Hello, this is Ace Monkey, and today, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to solve a 3x3x3, or 3x3. Step 1. Mix your cube. Step 2. Getting the white cross. First, what you do is look for an edge piece, any edge piece, white. That's a white. There's one there. So let's first get this up here and get this up here and get this up here and get this up, but if we twist this like that and then like that, now you have a cross. Step 3. Putting the edges in the right spot. Okay, to determine the right spot, you look at those two. That one's correct. Only one of them is correct. Try twisting it left and check it. Not correct, not correct, correct, and correct. So what you have to do is switch those two. Most of the time you only have to switch 2 of them. So what you do is you bring this to the right, twist the top right, and then this the front left, the top left, and front right. Now all the edges should match the middle color. Step 4. Getting the white corners. First, you look at where the white corners are located. Just like the last step where you look at where the edges are located. Let's do this one because this is pretty easy. So, you line up the red like that. Okay. And then move bottom to the left, front left, bottom right, front right. Now you got this one in. Okay, you want to look for another one. Try to look for the bottom ones, like this one. Line up the green, move it to the left, and then front left, bottom right, and front right. Now you got this one in. Okay, you want to look for another one like this one. Orange, line it up. I guess the same thing. Bottom left, front left, bottom right, front right, and you're done. Okay, one more. This one's at the bottom, so what you do is you put it at the where it's supposed to be, beneath it, like the opening part, and you go front left, bottom twice, front right, and then now you line up the color. This time it's in the right side, so you go bottom right, front right, bottom left, front left. That's how you solve the whites. If the white is in the correct spot, but it's not facing the right way, so what you do, if it's like this, you go down, and then right, right up, bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up. Step 5. Getting the 4 edges under the white, not yellow, those 4 edges. Okay, so first thing, what you do, look for a piece that doesn't have any yellow, and I guess This time it was lucky. All of them doesn't have a yellow. First, you pick one, random. So I picked the red and blue. The red is on this side, so I line it up with the red, like this. Blue is over on this side. So, you want to bring this over here. So what you do is top right, left up, top left, left down, top left, front right, and top right, and front left. Okay, now we got this one. We want to do another one. So I'll pick this one, blue orange. Line it up with the blue. I want to put it over here, just like last time, the same direction. Top right, and left up, top left, right down, top left, front right, top right, front left. Okay, now you got this one. You want to do the other one, like red, green. Line it up with the red. This time you want to go to the right. So you do top left, right up, top right, right down, top right, front left, top left, front right. Now you got this one. Last one. Line it up. And then you want to go to the left side, just like how we did. Top right, left up, top left, left down, top left, front right, top right, front left. Now you got all the edges. So now you got 2 layers done. So you're almost done. Okay. If you can't find any of the edge piece that doesn't have a yellow, so like this is in the correct spot but not facing the right way, what you do is pick a random piece. Like I picked this one. You want to put it in here, just like the method you put this in here. So top right, left up, top left, left down, top left, front right, top right, front left. And now you got the piece out. So you want to put this in. So the same step, like that, the same method. So that's how you do when this is like the opposite. Step 6. Getting the corner. No, not that corner. This yellow corners in the correct spot in the correct way. If you guys don't know how to do it, click on this cube so you'll know how to do it, because I already made a video in the 2x2. So click on this. If you guys can't click on it, there will be a link at the bottom right here. So you guys could just type it in, or in the description there will be the link, so you could go to that, and I'll tell you what second, how many second you should be. So click here, or type this in, or go to the description and type it in, or copy paste. Step 7, or final step. All you need to do is do the edges. Yeah. Okay. So you want to put the edges in the correct spot and face it the correct way. This one's not facing the correct way, but it's in the correct spot. These 3 are in the wrong spot, so you want to switch them. So you want to bring this over here. So what you do is middle down, bottom right, middle up, bottom twice, middle down, bottom right, middle up, and these two are in the correct spot. Okay. So now, when you have those two, that is like diagonal, not cross, or that isn't correct, isn't facing the correct way, what you do is you want to do like that. So left, up, top, right. And bring the cube like that. So now you want to put those two in the correct way. So what you do is middle up, top right, middle up, top right, middle up, top right, middle up, top twice, middle up, top right, middle up, top right, middle up, top right, middle up. Okay. Now all you do is move the cube like that, top left, left down, and your cube is done. It's done. You're done with this cube. You could just throw this cube away and get a new cube. Just before you throw away your cube, if the edge pieces are across, just do this step. Middle up, top right, middle up, top right, middle up, top right, middle up, top twice, middle up, top right, middle up, top right, middle up, top right, middle up. And now you could throw away the cube, or whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching my 3x3x3 video. If you guys enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.